In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make phone numbers callable in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a contact list or just want the convenience of dialing phone numbers directly from your spreadsheet, these easy steps will guide you through the process. First things first, open your Google Sheet where you have your list of phone numbers or where you'd like to add them. If you're new to Google Sheets, you can start by simply creating a new sheet from your Google Drive. Once your spreadsheet is ready, locate the cell where you'd like to make the phone number callable. Let's use cell D2 for this demonstration. Now, click on cell D2 to activate it. We'll enter a formula that turns the phone number into a clickable link. This formula uses the hyperlink function, a handy tool in Google Sheets for creating links. In cell D2, type the formula equals hyperlink open parentheses quote tell, followed by the phone number you want to call, ending with another quote and then a comma. After the comma, type in quote call and finally a closed parenthesis. To be clear, it should look something like this. Il hyperlink tell 0917555122 call. This formula creates a hyperlink that, when clicked, triggers your phone to dial that number if you're using a compatible device or connected through a system that manages calls. Once you've typed in the formula, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. You should see the word call appear in the cell, underlined like a typical hyperlink. That's what users will click to initiate the call. Now, if you have a list of numbers and want to apply this clickable link to all of them, you don't need to rewrite the formula for each one. You can use the autofill feature. Click on the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell you just created the link in and drag it down to apply the same format to subsequent cells. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula for each cell, making it a quick and efficient way to manage a list. When you're satisfied with your setup and perhaps need to share this with someone who might not use Google Sheets, you can export your sheet. Click on File in the top menu and navigate to Download. From the options, select PDF. This format is great for sharing because it retains all your formatting. Finally, click on Export to download your sheet as a PDF. This file can be easily shared via email or any other platform and will keep your data secure while presenting the links in a professional manner. And there you have it, a simple way to make phone numbers callable directly from Google Sheets. Try it out and enjoy the convenience.